real channel thir tu te in zawain chi bai ule he channel a description a kan tarlan ang khian dan kalmang hi mizo tong nge ya olsam taka hriat thiam ani theina tura he channel hi buat sai ania du khoblo na le soisel na tam tak te po omang chuti lai chuanin khongai na karon nge na khongai taka min lo subscribe sak ve tu chewin kan ngen tak me me wa chew ani e kan hriat angin sarat e bodre kha CJI voice li le pasari na ni turin President of India in November 2019 khan alo nem ngeta CJI hian kumsom rupanga anni ma zongin na chelanga kumsom rupanga anni chuan an retire don ni chuwangin sarat e bodre hi kumsang ni le som ni pakhat hian a retired vele dona CJI hi an poimo ma Indian judicial system a ni na sang ber chel tu ani pakhat na chuan case alo zir chianga tin akhoi tu turbik judge arwat thin ani tin constitutional bench a thuneihna ania CJI hi master of roster ti a ko ani article 124 hian Supreme Court hi aom tur ani ti aron tar langa tin article 214 hian High Court hi state tina om tur ani ti aron tar lang boka article 124 clause number 3 kan Constitution of India hian Supreme Court a just ni thei tur hian in qualification engmozat aron tar langa pakhat na chuan India khwale tui ani ngei tur ani ti ania panina chuan High Court a kumnga tal judge na lo thok tur ani ti ania emo advocate na kumsom dal High Court a lo thok tur ani ti ani tin dan lama ming tha le mishat khokeng ani angai bo tuna karon tarlan tur hi Collegium Chungchang ani a nikum kumsang ni le som pakwa khanin Madras High Court and Chief Justice to Meghalaya High Court a transfer to in order amwa adu lo le niang resignation te po athe du thial ani transfer chungchanga ngai to tu te kha Collegium kan ti chu ani ta chu Collegium chu enge ni a tu te nge ani ti karon tar lang don ani Collegium lo indin na le a history claim kan tar langila kumsang khat zakua samsari pathum khan Justice A.N. Ray achu CJI atan ruat ania Ray a hianin Judge pathum achunga mi te kha lu alanin CJI ni nakha alatani hei hi bar association kan ti te le legal group te khan du lovin nasatakin an soisela an daudala kesavananda barti case kan ti te kha sarkar hian anol ta ni hialten an ngai ani tin kan judiciary hian jalen na nei to lovin nasatakin chu azalen na chu ra besak ani in an ngai ani Collegium kalphung chu hetiang hi ania atlang puin President of India hian Supreme Court le High Court judge hi appoint thin ani CJI in anna alo chol sandon ani chuan recommendation mangin ziakin ama lo thak tu tur kha central sarkar hena athe lut tur ani Collegium ina judge appointment le transfer chungchanga thutlukna an nei thei ani chuan law minister central sarkar nena an recommendation chu an the lut le anga law minister chuan prime minister nena athe lut ve le anga prime minister chuan president nena approval neiturin kha recommendation kha athe lut ve le don ani tin kha Supreme Court chungchanga judge appointment le transfer ania High Court chungchang chu hetiang hi nia kan hria tongin Collegium a khanin CJI le two senior most judge of the Supreme Court te kha ania and recommendation kha law minister central sarkar an thelut vele anga tichuan prime minister a lut chawanga president approval kha neile don ta ani Collegium ina din hun poi mo tak alo lu theinan hian case pathum lar tak tak tarlan turoma heng case pathum te hi 3 judges case ti ani ama sabera chuanin SP Gupta versus Union of India case oma he case a hian Supreme Court chuan Supreme Court thuron hi thuron satlia mai ania pompui kher tur ani lowe ti in alotar langa chuta chuanin thu top siam thei tu chu president ani ti in heng judge appointment le transfer chungchang a hian alo soi ani tin a case dot le a chuan Supreme Court Advocates on Records versus Union of India kha anile a he case hi case poimo tak mai ani a second judge's case ti ani bawk ani tin Collegium lo irchuana ani boka heta hian Supreme Court ina athuron apek le recommendation athe lu kha pompui ngei tur ani ti in thutlukna alo siam ani Collegium system chu lo omtranin member po Chief Justice of India le senior most member pani tekha anlo ni ta tin kumsang khat zakwa somkwa pariat khan President of India KR Narayanan Khan consultation ti omzia niang ti in Supreme Court a zona azota Supreme Court chuan consultation kat ti hi thuron satlia mai ni lovin pompui ngei tur ani atia tin president in Supreme Court avaron le ani chuan chu Supreme Court ina thutlukna emo channa alope kha President Khan in apom ngei tur ani ti in judgment kha anlo siam ta ani hei hi third judge's case ti ania Supreme Court case chu anilem lowa presidential reference ti ten anlo ko ani Collegium Chungchang chu khatiang kha alo ni a Collegium hianin anmi du zong judge atana ruat tur emo son tur chungchanga chuan thutlukna lo nei ta se chuan thutlukna chu president nena an thonanga president chuan angai dan te soin Collegium nena chuan athong kir le tur ani chuta chuan Collegium hawina an ngai dan kha so son chuang lo ma sela an ngai dan kha so son chuang lovin president nena thon kir le sela chuta chuan president chuanin lo thei lovin apompui angai ta kan constitution hianin Collegium Chungchang hi atar lang lowa enge ani ti po asoifia chuang lo ani amai ro chu kan constitution a chuan Supreme Court judge le High Court judge te hi president in appoint ang ti ani chuti lai chuanin chu president in appoint tu te chu Collegium kan ti te khanin recommendation an thelu ve phot angaya chu an recommendation thelu atang chuan president in apompuina apetrin ani Collegium hian guidelines chi sang anei ve a pakhatna chuan consultation mizo tang chuan in ron tlan na kan ti hi a om ngei tur ani ti ania tin apanina chuan CJI in ama mi mal ngai dan kha akal tlang pui runga tur ani lo ti ania apathumna chuan Supreme Court judge transfer le appointment chungchanga hian CJI hian in a Collegium member pui senior most member pali kan ti te kha aron ngei tur ani ti ania High Court a ero chuan Collegium Khan in member and claim deuh kan ti kha CJI Khan a senior most member pani te kha aron ve ngei tur ani ti ani boka tin record reng thatak le fel fai taka von tur ani ti ani Collegium a judge te ngai dan chu ziakin central sarkar hna CJI in athelu tur ani a chumi pa chuan CJI chuan ama mi mal ngai dan po ziakin atar langin athelut ve ngei tur ani ti ani Collegium hi Supreme Court ina adin te ania member panga omin Chief Justice of India le senior most judge of the Supreme Court kan ti te kha ania ani hian judge appointment le transfer chungchanga mo phurna nein ngai tuana seng tu te ani khati zong kha voina tan chuan ni sela ale peka chuan National Judicial Appointment Commission clear thei turin theu don nia